Hello everyone. Today we will discuss chemical bonding. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलिएगा। नाउ सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं व्हाट इज बॉन्ड। व्हाट इज बॉन्ड? बॉन्ड होता क्या है? बॉन्ड इज नॉट अ लाइन। हमें बोलते तो बॉन्ड क्या होता है, जिसे हम स्टडी करते हैं, दिस इज अ बॉन्ड, सिंगल बॉन्ड, डबल बॉन्ड, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, ठीक है, हमें बोलते तो बॉन्ड। बट बॉन्ड एक लाइन नहीं है, इट इज नॉट अ लाइन। बॉन्ड इज अ फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन। बॉन्ड इज अ फोर्स ऑफ attraction between the chemical species which held two atoms. For example, AB. AB is a molecule. Suppose AB is a molecule, and how AB molecule is formed by the two atom. One atom is A and another atom is B. There is an attraction, that is a force of attraction between the species A and B, which hold both the atom together and make a molecule. It means जैसे हम chemical bonding में उसमें पढ़ते हैं, and we can say that atom plus atom gives us molecule. Now next, why bond is formed? Why? Why? Why bond is formed? To get stability. To get stability. How bond is formed? How? How bond is formed? How bond is formed? Let's consider 2-point charge. This one charge is represented by Q1, the second one is Q2. When the two atoms come close, total force of attraction greater than the repulsive force, then bond is formed. This is A atom and this is another is a B atom. ठीक है, तो A atom का ये क्या होगा, charge Q1 and the Q2 is the charge of B atom. What is, and how this bond is formed? This bond is formed when total attractive force is greater than repulsive force. Then a bond is formed. Next, one question is also arise: how many minimum electrons are required to form a chemical bond? So most of the students give the answer of this question is 2. That is, 2 electrons are required to form a chemical bond. But this is the wrong. Not 2. Only 1 electron is required to make a bond, because question में पूछा हुआ है minimum electron required to form a chemical bond. Only 1 electron is required. That is a minimum electron. How many is 1 electron is required to make a chemical bond. Okay. अगर आप इसका एग्जाम्पल देखना चाहते हो तो you can see PCl5. On heating, PCl5 is break into PCl3 plus Cl2. This Cl2 bond formed from one electron, okay, from one electron. Let's draw the structure of PCl5, that is PCl5. You know the geometry of PCl5 is TBP, coordination number is 5, and the geometry is TBP. Okay, this is a very famous, but the question arises how this bond is formed. The question is how this bond is formed and which of the chlorine bond are formed by using only one electron. Okay, in PCl5 there are 5 bonds. Out of 5, 2 Cl bond are formed from one electron, and which are the 2? Let's identify it. First of all, write down the central atom, that is phosphorus, and give that valence electron. The valence electron of phosphorus is a 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. And the chlorine, each chlorine has a 7 valence electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, chlorine needs 1 electron to complete its octet, and it takes the phosphorus 1 electron to complete its 8 electron. Okay, now this chlorine also takes this electron to make a bond. Okay, now this chlorine also takes the 1 electron and make a bond, and now this chlorine also takes 1 electron from phosphorus and make a bond, and this chlorine also complete its octet. Okay, now let's count the 7 plus 8, 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 and the phosphorus is the 7 and 8, 7 and 8, 7, 8, 7, 8. Okay, now these 5 bonds will be formed by sharing of each electrons. Okay, mutual sharing of electrons occur. Now 5 chemical bonds are formed. Out of 5, 2 bonds are weak and the remaining 3 are the stronger one. As you know, when I will heat PCl5, I will heat, the weak bond will be break. Weak bonds will be break, and you know that 2 are axial bond and the 3 are equatorial bond. Axial bonds are weaker as compared to आपका इक्वेटोरियल बॉन्ड. ओके, तो एक्सियल बॉन्ड आपके निकल जाएंगे, दैट इज Cl2 और प्लस कितना बच जाएगा आपका PCl3 विल बी रिमेन. ओके, एज वी डिस्कस अर्लियर. सो इट मीन्स 2 Cl आर रिमूव्ड. इट मीन्स दिस आर तो क्या वीक इलेक्ट्रॉन हो गए, तो केमिकल बॉन्डिंग क्या हो गया, यहाँ पे वीक हो गए, केमिकल बॉन्ड विल बी वीक, एंड द रिमेनिंग 3 bonds in this is the strong force of attraction is present. Then we can say that in PCl5 structure, this bond is formed by 1 electron and this bond is also formed by 1 electron. This is the bond weak and this is also a weak bond. Okay, and these 3 bonds are strong bond and which are formed by using 2 electrons. So देयर आर ओनली, तो हम यहाँ बोल सकते हैं वीक बॉन्ड बना, इसका मतलब क्या, ओनली मिनिमम 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक अ बॉन्ड। बॉन्ड तो बन रहा है, चाहे वीक बने चाहे स्ट्रॉन्ग बने, उससे मैटर नहीं करता, लेकिन मिनिमम 1 बॉन्ड इज विल बी रिक्वायर्ड। और जैसे ये क्या होगा, वीक होगा, ये टूट जाएगा और आपका क्या बन जाएगा, Cl2, ये 2 Cl निकल जाएंगे और आपका PCl3 निकल जाते हैं। ठीक है, सो always remember minimum 1 electron is required to make a chemical bond.